During the pandemic, nurses and doctors were called heroes, and during those times, realized that teachers are the superheroes. This day will never be complete without us giving out our thanks to the modern heroes like you. It's been hard adapting to the inevitable changes in the world, and we are grateful for having a teacher like you. You'd have been with us along the way. We have always admired and appreciated what you do. Our sincere thank you will never be enough to return the efforts you've given us to be equipped for our future. Let this little gift be a symbol of more gifts we'll be giving you in the future once we succeed through you. Passionate and hardworking are not enough to describe you, our dear Sir Brian. As this day is very special, know that we are eternally grateful for all that you have done. Thank you. Thank you for shaping not just our minds but also our hearts. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Brian. We love you and enjoy.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Brian. God bless you po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Brian. Salamat po sa pagtuturo. God bless po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Brian. Stay fresh and stay good, healthy. Yun lang po. Happy Teacher's Day ulit.
Happy Teacher's Day sa mabuhay ang SPG Drops.
Sir Bri, saan ka man dalhin ng mga paa mo at ng pangarap mo? Tandaan mo na meron kang pangalawang pamilya sa LIS at bukod doon, sa pangalawang tahanan na yon, nandito ka lagi sa puso namin. Maraming salamat. Mahal ka namin. Mabuhay ka.